On the GMTO.nl page, click on My GMTO. You will arrive at the login page and log in with your own credentials. Click on New under GMTO Solution Toolbox. Enter your name. Enter the chassis number. Click on Search. Check all the details. Enter the year of manufacture. Next, select a category and complaint from the drop-down menu. Describe the complaint clearly and in detail. The more detailed your description, the faster and more accurately we can assist you. Enter the diagnostic trouble codes. Click on Save. The next screen, the actual Solution Toolbox, provides you with useful tools and information in Block 1 and Block 2 to assist with the diagnosis. Wiring diagrams can be found in Block 1. Possible solutions for the described complaint can be found in Block 2. Block 3 is for creating or modifying the diagnostic report. Does provided diagrams and solutions did not help you solve the case? Then click on Support in Block 4 and submit a request for additional support. Here, you can submit your question to our experts at the GMTO support desk. Have you found a solution? Describe it here and submit it by clicking the Send Solution button. This way, you help keep the database up to date.